Hi, my name is Cheri. Welcome to my stamp studio. So if you're watching this video, you're not going to see anything actually made, but I am going to walk through the Sale-a-bration catalog with you, just kind of point out some fun things, let you know what's going on for our first ever celebration that takes place during August and September. I'm not going to say summer celebration, even though it is, but you know, our family's half Australian, so I know there's always been a summer celebration if you lived in the Southern Hemisphere. So for you, it's your first ever winter. But it's the first time ever, and I've been with Stampin' Up! Coming up on 27 years that we've ever had a celebration offered in August and September. So it started August 3rd, which is the day that this video posted. And up until now, I haven't been able to show you the inside of the catalog. So we're going to kind of walk through it real quick. I'm going to show you what Stampin' Up! Is giving you for free in August and September. Let you know a couple of things about that. Tell you what I'm giving you for free in August and September. Well, not September, in August. And also what I'm giving you for free if you happen to be catching this on August 3rd and 4th if you purchase from me. So let's take a little look, and then I'll show you some of the things that I have created. You know, when we get a catalog preview, I love to work ahead, but I also have to work with what I'm working now. Like I had classes still ongoing. I had a try-it class to get ready for. So even though I had, like I really wanted to do all this because I love me some new, I still had to work with what was. So I don't have a ton of things to show you from the celebration, but I do have some, and I will show you what I have. And a couple of one of these, the video hasn't even posted yet, so you're going to get to see the card before the tutorial's even up. So the first thing here is the Bedazzling paper. Now there are 3 things in this catalog that Stampin' Up! Has already told us that they don't foresee making it to the end because celebration items are while supplies last, and the Bedazzling is one of them. So let me show you. Here is a piece, and you can see that there's something already cut out of this piece, and you can see how beautiful it is. So one of the things that I give you every single month, always, is if you purchase anything from me, no matter just $5 if you wanted to, then you're part of the next month's following VIP. So if you purchase from me in August, and in September, you will be one of my VIP video members. So I have 2 levels of those. Everybody gets both the tutorial videos. They're only for my customers, and they're only for those that purchase product from me, not classes. So you can tell that the people that are getting the VIP projects next month will be seeing a project made with something of this. So I have 2 levels of VIPs, and it's 50 and 250. So everybody gets the videos no matter how little you purchase. And then if you purchase $50, you get the supplies so you can follow along with me. Now you have to add your own stamps. I try to keep it so it's just sentiments or something that you probably have, flowers, sometimes butterflies, something easy that you could add if I have any stamping. And then at 250, you get both the projects for both supplies. So usually the 250 uses a little bit more, something more intricate, something I may have to die cut, or something like the pop-up mason jars or something like that, that's a little bit more, because obviously there's far fewer that spend 250 in a month than 50. So that's 2 of the things that I always offer. And the Bedazzling is one of the items, and I'll point out the other 2 as we walk through. So it's super pretty. You can see here, if you are paying close attention, if you do my retreats or you do my classes, you know I am a huge fan of our Stampin' Spritzers. And you can see here that they have filled the spritzer with some refill. How many times have we done that in class, girls? And they have spritzed this, so it is red. We will be doing that in a video fairly soon, but if you want this, I would put it on one of your sooner rather than later orders so you don't miss out on that. So that's one of our first things, and then I have used it a couple of times. Here it is, and this is a recent video, and this is something you'll see again make an appearance in the holiday catalog, but you can tell just those little touches of that in the leaves. How cute is that? And then way back when we first got it, this is from our annual catalog, and it has the Bedazzling paper, and it just has some summery stuff. So it's just strips of it and just adding that super sparkle. It's not glitter. It doesn't fall off. It has a kind kind of an alligator-ish if you're from the 80s and you went to Baker shoes. It kind of reminds me of the shoes back then. Like, it's not going to fall off, but it adds so much sparkle. So that's the Bedazzled. You get a nice little stack, 8 sheets of 6x6 paper. So that's the first one. Then we have the penguin paper. Now, I haven't made anything with the penguin paper yet, but my online class registration starts soon, because again, it's a sooner rather than later. I don't really want to do a winter class in August, but I'm afraid either the punch will go on back order or the paper will sell out. So we're going to have online class, super, super cute. I have done penguin cards. There's 2 penguin cards, and you can see the paper, super cute. And I feel like I've done everything, because in actual fact, I have done everything, but it's because I've made all my Try It class cards. The card for this is a pop-up, so if you're in the Try It class, wait till you see this card. It is so cute, and I made up the design, the pop-up mechanism all by my lonesome. I'm so proud of it. But the card in the Try It, when I was pulling all these things out, I'm like, I know I made this, and then I realized I've made 10 things, so I've actually made everything in both catalogs. I've worked with everything, but y'all just can't see it, because if you're not in the Try It class, then I'm sorry, you don't get to see it. Now, I don't have this stamp set. Again, it's a sooner rather than later with me, because I don't have everything, because I didn't get everything yet. But here, super cute. I will get it. Then the hand penned, this, you get 12 sheets, but you get 4 of each of the designs. So again, Try It class card, really cute, but I can't show you. It's black and white, so you can color it in. So in the Try It class, I've done one that's black and white, and then in the video, I added some light color. So you can color it in, and it does coordinate with our really, this is called Beautifully Penned. It coordinates with our super popular hand pen suite in the annual catalog. Both of everything I've shown you so far is free with 50. Then, if we don't have, by the time this posts, I'll know whether or not we have it. There is a paper that we still haven't been able to order in the annual catalog. This will be a Try It class card if we can't get it. It's just a really classic Christmas paper. I don't have it yet, because I was waiting to see how much I needed to order if I couldn't get the blackberry paper. But it does coordinate with this super fun little deer punch. Now, my other August thank you gifts, and they're for the whole month of August. If you spend $50, you're going to get the cute stars, which I have a sheet of here, and I've been using them a lot. And these are part of the Halloween, cute Halloween suite. But at $50, you get this, and at $50, see, you get lots of the celebration choices are 50. So you'll want to spend 50, because Stampin' Up's going to give you something free. I'm going to give you the free stars, and you're going to get to be part of my VIP video club. And you always get a thank you card from me too. So it'll be a nice little pack at 50. And then at 100, you can pick some of the higher ones. At $200, then you get both everything I told you so far, and then you also get from me one of the Stampin' Up kits, and you can see those on our website. So here we are with the sheep and the sheep dies. So the sheep stamp set is free with 50. The sheep dies are free with 50, so 100 you get both the stamps and the dies, and this tutorial is already up. The sheep dies are one of the things that Stampin' Up said might not make it to the end. They may sell out sooner rather than later. So if you're thinking this, it's a nice $100 purchase, and if you purchase $100 from me on the 3rd or 4th, then you get the regular August specials. You also get the gingham ribbon, which I have also been a huge fan of the gingham ribbon. It's appeared on tons of my projects because I'm in love with this. And it's also part of the cute Halloween. That cute Halloween suite is cute. I don't make Halloween cards very often. Again, the Try It class card, super cute, because all that stuff's just adorably cute. But this is, they're each free with 50, but with 100 you can get them both. And then if you spend $225 with me on August 3rd or 4th, you get the free star-crossed embossing folder, as well as all that other stuff. So you can go to my website, or if you're on my email list, you'll get to see all of the levels. Now, I don't have the textures and frames yet. Again, I didn't get everything at once, and I always know the stamps aren't going to be in any danger of going away. Now, this tutorial we'll post on Tuesday. Trying to think of what day when you're filming ahead. So these summer shadow dies, again, one of the things that they say might not last. They coordinate with the shaded summer stamp set that is in the annual catalog. So you can get the stamp set from the catalog, and then you get these fun shapes. And I made the card. You can see the stamp set back here, and the words are from the stamp set. This tag is from the seasonal labels that is in the annual or in the holiday catalog. And then you can see I have made this card. If you go over to my YouTube channel, this video will have posted. If you're watching this fairly soon after it posted, this video is going to post later on in the day on Tuesday. I can only post so many things at once, but it will be up on Tuesday. I am in love with these. I had a really good time making this card. In fact, I filmed it not long ago, and I attempted to get the poppy ink off my hand. It's still there. You know, sometimes you just get a little inky when you do this. So, and then this is going to be a nice all-around selection, and it will be a set that you're able to reach back and use all the time. Now here's, you're going to get to see, this is a free with a $100 purchase, and it's because the way this stamp, the Delicate Dahlias stamps, it's so intricate. It is stunningly beautiful. So here's a little sneak peek. This will post later in the week. I'm not going to tell you what day because I have several videos that are lined up ready to post, but I'm not sure what day it'll go up. But check back later and you can see this being made. So you can kind of see here, you can see the flower, but I wanted to add that silver overlay on it, so it kind of lost how pretty that is. But if you have your catalog and you look closely, the way this stamps is beautiful. And then if you look at the samples that the Stampin' Up! Concept artists did for us, there's nothing that's even remotely that looks like mine. When I stamp, I never look at the catalog. I don't want to see what they did with it. I don't want to see what the pieces are supposed to do. I just want to start from scratch. So I did mine, and then I was flipping through to get ready to do this video, and I'm like, well, I didn't even come close to what they did. So also, if you spend $300, like depending on where you are, now my rewards accumulate. So throughout August, they'll accumulate. My awards for just the 3rd and 4th have to be spent, have to be there for the 3rd and 4th, because those all count and then those go away. Stampin' Ups do not. So to get any of Stampin' Up's free things, you have to hit 50. Then you can't spend 25 one day and then come back later in August and spend 25 and think they're going to give you a $50 reward. There's just a one and done. So you have to. But if you spend $300 with them, well, at $150, you start getting free stuff from them. So don't use my host code, because I'd rather Stampin' Up! Give you free stuff too. I'm still going to give you your free stuff. It's not like you're going to lose out on mine, but I want them to give you free stuff. At $300, then you're going to get this fun little set over here, which is all sentiments, and it's really fun. So you'll get that, and then you also get the free things that are in the chart here. So this will tell you how much. It kind of helps you when you're doing an online order, especially to kind of figure out your order so you know where to put the things. So you can add up your free stuff before you get there. Then, if you join my team, it's always the very best deal to join the starter kit. It's $99. You pick 125 of whatever you want. And it's got free shipping. So it's just $99, and then whatever the tax is for your state. Then once you join, after you get your number as part of the Stampin' Up! Family, everything you buy is always at least 20% off. If you sell anything to anybody, you don't have to, but if you do, then you can make a commission on what they sell starting at 20%. And it's super fun. So you can sell stuff, or you can just get in for the discount. You can do it either way. I have a team that have people all the way from lots of girls in California, all the way over to North Carolina, Florida, Michigan. We're everywhere. So no matter where you are, you'll fit in, no matter what age. We have people in their 20s all the way to people in their 80s. So it doesn't matter what age, doesn't matter where you live, because in this new wonderful Zoom kind of world, we can all get together no matter where, no matter how old, no matter what your lifestyle is. So we all fit. But if you join my team and you like my tutorials, and the very best perk for you is that you get to take all of the online part of my classes. They're all free, and they're all housed over on our group Facebook page. So anytime you want to go back and find one of the online classes, you just go over there and you look them up, and they're all there. So even if you join today and you go over and you get your little starter kit, then I welcome you into the Facebook page. You can go over to the class page, and you can find classes for the last couple of years. So if there's like you wanted to see the last Try It class because you missed it, there it is. So they're all there. So you'll have access to all of my past classes and all of my future ones. Then my Try It class, when you're a new demonstrator, you get the first 3 packets. I just send them to all my new demonstrators, and you just get them. After your first 3 catalogs, then after that, if you're going to participate together via our Zoom, or we all put them together, then I send you the packet as well. So, but you always get the online part of it. So it's super fun. I do lots of challenges. Some of the challenges are you completed your dry it class and you post a picture, then you go into a drawing for $50 in free stuff. So we do lots of stuff, not because you sold anything, but just because you participated. So we have lots of participation challenges. We do have sales challenges. So if you want to make money, you can make a nice little side income. Obviously, I do this for a full-time job. So we have everybody from all aspects, people who just buy enough to just stay active, all the way to, we have several girls in our group who do it to make money. But if you join in August or September as part of Sale-a-bration, you can see this little chart here. In addition to the 125 that you pick for just $99, then you can pick any of these bundles for absolutely free. So these are different bundles that are in the holiday catalog, and you just add it in there, and it's just an extra added bonus. And most of them are around $40, $60. So it's an extra added bonus on top of all of that. So that is the Sale-a-bration catalog walkthrough. I will also have one for the holiday catalog, so you'll want to see that as well. And remember, the additional specials are good for August 3rd and August 4th. I'll catch you back here later. Bye.